If you have been thinking about moving to Florida, well, this may be your chance. Welcome to 17084 Wayzata Court in North Fort Myers. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, single-family home with a pool, an enclosed lanai, and check this out. It has a compost bin. If you are into landscaping and planting, you're gonna love that. And the fenced yard ready to create your very own oasis. This home is right down the road from Echo Farms, which is a wonderful nursery. In addition, this little community here has their very own boat ramp. So if you own a small boat or a kayak, super easy access, only 4 houses down from here. If you own an RV, there are no restrictions, no HOA fees. This home has a new roof, lots of upgrades, an assumable 4% loan, and an assumable flood insurance. So come check this home out. If you have any questions, reach out at 239-220-6844. Send this home to whoever you know that would love to make this home their Florida paradise. Thanks for watching.